Diversity in Living World Unit 1. Biology is the science of life, forms and living processes. The living world comprises an amazing diversity of living organisms. Early man could easily perceive the difference between inanimate matter and living organisms. Early man defined some of the inanimate matter, wind, sea, fire, etc., and some among the animals and plants. A common feature of all such forms of inanimate and animals object was the sense of awe or fear that they evoked. The description of living organisms, including human beings, began much later in human history. Society, which indulged in anthropocentric view of biology, could register limited progresses in biological knowledge. Systematic and monumental description of life forms brought in out of necessity. Detailed system of identification, nomenclature, and classification. The biggest spin of such study was the recognition of the sharing of similarity among living organisms, both horizontally and vertically, that all present day living organisms are related to each other and also to all organisms that ever lived on this earth, was a revelation which humbled man and led to cultural movement for conservation of biodiversity. In the following chapter of this unit, you will get a description including classification of animals and plants from a taxonomist perspective. Ernst Mayr, born on 5 July 1904 in Cape Town, Germany, Ernst Mayr, the Harvard University evolutionary biologist who have been called the Darwin of 20th century, was one of the greatest scientists of all time. Mayr joined Harvard Faculty of Art and Science in 1953 and retired in 1975, assuming the title Alexander Agassiz. Professor of Zoology Emeritus. Throughout his nearly 18-year career, his research spanned ornithology, taxonomy, geography, evolution, systematics, and the history and philosophy of biology. He almost single-handedly made the origin of species diversity the central question of the evolutionary biology that it is today. He also pioneered the currently accepted definition of biological species. Mayer was awarded the three prize widely regarded as the triple crown of biology, the Belgian Prize in 1983, the International Prize for Biological in 1994, and the Crawford Prize in 1999. Mayer died at the age of 100 in the year 2004.